the Dr. Yuki Nakagawa, right?
Okay, thank you for introducing me.
Yes, okay. You can share your screen and
Okay, so is it shared? Oh,
yes,
oops.
perfect. We see your screen now.
Okay.
Okay, so if you are ready, then the floor is
Yeah.
yours.
Thank you for introducing me. So my name is Yuki Nakagawa from RT Corporation. So today I talk about the humanoid robot for the human work. So using the embodied AI. And so before my talk, and three of them are very, very interesting for the robotics as viewpoint. And just show our robot right now. So this is an torso humanoid robot, and human operate with an VR system. But you can see that an other person moves the robot, but an operator cannot understand what is going on. But robot has to keep the grasping the ball, and then outside of the force is according to the motion. So this combination is very, very different for that robot and combined an operation from the remote operation. So this robot is our one product. So you can see the right side from robot view. So human can watch this camera's vision. Very narrow vision area, and it is difficult to watch the hands. But human can do the operate such as you can see the orange ball. So it is hard to understand the depth. So this is a human operator can understand how to grasp the balls. So you can implement it into such a operation to the robot. So this is our product named Shuras. So if you want to buy this, please check this. And on the other hand, we have many experience for the food factory with humanoids and industrial robot and other robots. And I introduced today for the humanoid robot in the factory. So let's see this video. Okay. So we named a robot such a red one to the blue one. Blue one named the food and friendly to we named the foodly. So this robot concept work with robots, with human. So this robot is specialized for the food factory. So this can catch an chicken nugget and a mini tomato, many kind of food. So this robot can move easily like this. And we applied an AI vision for this robot. This robot can understand two cameras. One is on the head, one is on the chest. So you can see that this robot watches a food container to picking up one by one. And then second one is on the chest. It watches a lunch box. Well, where is a lunch box from the right or left or something like that. And put on the chicken nugget and correct place. So both are very difficult to develop because if a human wanted to move this robot in any area to the food factory, so it is not decided on lighting. So lighting is very important things for the robot vision. So we developed very good AI vision system for this robot because the light system is not fixed, but human understand any lighting condition. And also, we implemented an embodied AI for that this robot. So you can see that this robot can get outside the force, but this robot avoid the like this. So if you jamming such an operation, during the operation, the robot can understand what is going on, but the robot return to their work like this. So one more again. So if you jamming like this, but don't stop, but back to his work. So this is one of the embodied AI we scored. So such a way is a very intelligent behavior. And also you can see that this operation. So this robot doesn't any instruction from human, but this robot can picking mini tomato on the hand. So even if we don't instruct pick the tomato on the hand, but this robot can do. So if you see this situation, so robot is a very intelligent to understand the intention of the humans. So please picking my tomato, something like that. So such an intelligence is understand by human is it is not intelligent but just a natural behavior of robot, but human understand that is very intelligent or something like that. So it's very interesting. And also now we implemented such a robot installed to the real factory. Please watch video. So this robot picking a frozen meatball. So in this operation is very difficult for the human because the frozen meatball is very cold. So human hand in feeling the chili. So human operator has to have to take over with 30 minutes or 1 hour. But the robot can operate on a whole day. So this robot is operating like that. In the other word, this is in a food factory to making a lunchbox. So this robot picking the chicken nugget and put into the lunchbox. So they are the real factory operation. So this robot is work with humans. Both sides is a human. So to work with safely. So such like an embodied AI and applied for the real work with humans. So human operation is very difficult to use an industrial robot because on space or speed or safety. So, but a humanoid solves such problems. Okay, so this is the last slide. So thank you for your attention.